Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedgen Lee, and I want to share with you an aspect about Bitcoin that is Titanic, Monstrous, and Deviant. During the 2017 mania, price ran all the way up to 20K, except it was definitely on a rising volume. And it was clearly a bullish run. There was a titanic effort made to go above this resistance belt zone. And it certainly made a massive attempt, but it couldn't stay above it. It then underwent an 85% correction. Following that, it then made a titanic effort, again on a rising volume, to once again attempt to rise above the resistance belt zone, pierced it. But despite all efforts, it couldn't stay above it. Then we had yet another attempt to breach to the upside that same resistance belt, but it was deviant. It was on a declining volume. Very, very conspicuous. Upward pointing wedge. The prior monstrous effort resulted in a head and shoulders top pattern. And yet the deviant because it looked like a bull, smelled like a bull, walked like a bull, quacked like a bull, but it didn't volume like a bull. Declined. And it failed even worse than the monstrous attempt, which occurred on a rising volume, and failed far more comparably to the Titanic attempt. And yet here we have likely another deviant process. Price is trying to reach for the resistance zone yet again. And it may rise to 8K, 8.5, who knows? But on a declining volume, such efforts can be seen that the probability of that is pretty unlikely. If the prior Titanic, monstrous, fake rally deviant were not able to do it, where does this current price action of overlapping three wavishness on a declining volume get off in thinking that it can do what the prior Titanic, monstrous, and deviant attempts failed to do? Perhaps take that into consideration from a wider scoped, bigger picture perspective. This is Hedgen Lee. At Hedgen.com, we are a growing community of traders, analysts, and investors. Every day, actionable analysis of this type, but even in more detail, is presented for your consideration, for the members to use to augment their due diligence. Have a great day.